Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Pathway. Pathway means way that constitutes or serves as path. For example, a tree-lined pathway. A tree-lined pathway. Synonyms: footpath, pathway, track.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. There are narrow pathways or greenstone walkways for hikers. Now, repeat after me. There are narrow pathways or greenstone walkways for hikers. The second exemplar. Post these signs near roadways and pedestrian pathways on or near college campuses. Now, repeat after me. Post these signs near roadways and pedestrian pathways on or near college campuses. The third exemplar. They walked up the path and discovered a strange pathway covered by moss. Now, repeat after me. They walked up the path and discovered a strange pathway covered by moss.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The phrase, "long time no see," is a literal translation of a Chinese phrase. It comes from the Mandarin phrase, how ju bugn. No go, and, no can do, are also similarly borrowed from Chinese.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.